First, apply white eyeshadow on your brow bone to highlight. On a blush brush, apply peachy eyeshadow to give your eyes a nice warm tone. Use the same color to accentuate your cheekbones. Apply mustard yellow on the eyelids, followed by another layer of peach eyeshadow. Also, add some yellow under your lower lash line. With some red, color a third of your eyelid and finish off with a small winged stroke. Blend the three colors together. Notice how this color combination now resembles the Arabic sunset? Also, warm colors are big helpers when it comes to making your eye color pop. But now it's time for some sun sparkles. Generously dust a shimmery silver in the corner of your eyes into the mustard yellow all the way up to where the peach color meets your brow bone. From there on, continue with a shimmery brown. Of course, apply some under your eye too. Now you have a dessert to your sunset. Use black eyeshadow and a fine brush instead of a liquid eyeliner. We want to look mysterious, not serious. Follow your natural eye shape and end the line in a dramatic link onto where your eyebrow finishes. Extend the black into the middle of your lash line and make it look all dusty. Along the black line, I'm applying an adhesive white eyeliner. This white eye line rounds the shape of my eye, opening them up a bit more, since a certain amount of black dust around your eye can make you look sleepy instead of mysterious. After all that, boost the highlighting power on your brow bone some more. To sharpen your eye shape, color your waterline with a black makeup pencil. Apply 2 or 3 layers of mascara on both upper and lower lashes. Stick on dramatic eyelashes right along the white eyeliner. With wine red lip liner, draw along the shape of your lips, then blend a bit. Fill in with a rosy nude lipstick. Once again, blend. Blush your cheeks with a classy auburn color. Finish this makeup with the right eyebrows. Make them thicker, longer, darker, and more arched using a well-sharpened eyebrow pencil. We're almost done. Now we need to do our hair, Arabic style. Separate some of your front hair and tie a high ponytail on whatever side of your head you prefer. Puff the ponytail with a comb. Apply hairspray and roll up to a bun. Secure with bobby pins. Do the same with your front hair. Back comb, hairspray, roll up and fix with bobby pins. I will also put on some Arabic accessories and a headscarf called hijab, which I first fold into half, lay over my head and just wrap around like this. I wish you all good luck and special greetings to my Arabic Fangelics. See you soon in my next video. Bye bye.